Good morning everyone, how are you doing today? I am vlogging today and it is Saturday, August the 13th. I can't believe it's already in the middle of August. I don't know where the time is going, but hi, good morning. I'm making my matcha here in a minute. I think I'm gonna do matcha this morning. I've been really on matcha, it's really good. I just don't think the matcha that I have is very good quality matcha. I got it from Amazon and it does have sugar in it because I didn't know how to really sweeten it. I didn't know what I was supposed to put in it, or if you're even supposed to sweeten matcha. Maybe you're just supposed to put milk and not sweeten it. But it's this one right here. And I'm probably just like 99% sure it's not correct. I have already filmed a reels opening my new bag. Oh my god, have you seen it? I did an unboxing last video. So if you haven't seen the unboxing, I will have it linked up here or up here. But please go watch the unboxing because it's really, really nice. And I also did like what fits inside as well. But look at this baby. Oh my god, she's so cute. I love her. I can't wait to take her out today. Me and Raph are gonna go get lunch at some point somewhere. I think we're gonna get sushi because I really want sushi. Here is my outfit for the day. Me and Raph are going off to sushi. I have done a lot of work already. I posted a shorts. It's my first shorts that I've ever done. I know that I was showing you my outfit and then I stopped, but I did a shorts. I posted on Instagram and I did something else, but I forgot what it was. Anyways, now we're gonna go eat sushi. I'm very excited. This is my outfit today. I'm taking the baby out for the first time. It's her first outing. She looks so cute. I got this new Skims bodysuit. It's like a short sleeve bodysuit and it's this beautiful purple color and I'm obsessed with it. I'm wearing my A. Goldie Riley jeans. I have on these that I haven't worn in a little bit. They're from Dolce Vita. I got them from Amazon, but you can also get them in Nordstrom. So freaking cute. And then of course I've got my little bag and oh, it's just the best thing ever. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna go eat sushi and then I need to go to the bank and I need to go do a return at Sephora. Here's my sushi. So we're trying, I love this place. It's really close to us, but I haven't tried their nigiri here yet. It looks really promising. Look how that looks nice. And then just in case, I also got the crunch crab roll that I love a lot. And then of course, crab rangoon. Raph got
nothing. Water.
He got some water, that's right. But yeah, I'm very excited to eat this. This looks really nice. My first time coming into Homegoods, you guys. Oh my god. Wait, this chair though? I already like that chair. I like that chair. Look, I've never been into Homegoods before and I'm very excited about it. There is one thing that I do want to see if I can find, and it's one of those chairs for dogs, like an egg chair for dogs that I see people, you know, they got them from Homegoods. So I'm hoping maybe I'll be able to find that. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll show you what I do find. You guys, I found the dog chairs. Look how cute. I don't know which one I like better, if I like this one. This one's really cute, but then there's also this white one. But like, I don't know, this one kind of gives me more of like a boho vibe, and I'm not normally, like, we don't have a boho vibe really in the house, but it's still, like, we have no brown. So like, I don't know if it would look odd. We do have a little bit of black. I mean, the white is cute. Like, we could do like white and do this pillow instead of the gray. I don't know. I don't even know if the dogs will like it though, but it's so cute. Look how so adorable. We made it back home. These guys are very excited. I wanted to show you what I picked up at Homegoods. You guys probably thought that I definitely picked up one of those like doggy chairs, and I didn't, just because I wasn't sure how it would fit with the room and they didn't have a color that I really liked. However, I did pick up this chair. I have wanted one of these like how do you say this material? It's like BOUCLE, something like that. It's like a sheepskin, not sheepskin, that's not right at all. It's like, it kind of like is faux sheep, and it looks so cute. And that's my new office chair. This is the one that I used to have. So definitely an upgrade, I think, because look at this. This has seen much better days. This is so cute. And it's got its own pillow as well. So, it's even got little armrests. I love it so much. So, and I can, of course, like, it's just nice for when I'm at work. And it's just kind of more aesthetic and it looks better. I do need to do something about all of these cords and stuff over here. I think what I'm gonna do is just move the router onto my desk because my work computers have to be hardwired like through Ethernet. So I think I'm just gonna move this on my desk somewhere and get rid of this chair and then unplug this TV from Ethernet as well, because this one right here is currently hardwired in as well. But I don't use this TV as often anymore now that we have the new table. I do watch a lot of stuff at the computer there. So I think I'm gonna do that for now. It'll just make this area look so much nicer right here, and just all of this looks bad. When I try to do like my outfit photos, you can see it in the background and it just looks like shit. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. That's my project. I do have a nail appointment coming up here in a couple of hours. I have it at 5 o'clock and it is currently 4, so just in an hour. So I'm going to work on the Wi-Fi situation and then I will see you at my nail appointment. Here they are. They look so good. I'm obsessed with these. They look amazing. Even I will put a picture of the nail tech that I go to. Her name is Mifa. She's amazing. And I put the picture that she took of my nails right here. And they just look so good. Look at this. I'm obsessed with these. Let me show you the other hand. I've got like hairs on me. Sorry, but it looks so good. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. It is Sunday now, and I'm sitting in my new armchair in the office. It's so freaking cute. It's actually very comfortable as well, and it has armrests. Like, I wasn't sure that it was gonna have an armrest because the little scalloped part on the back, like this bit right here, is like the back of the chair. So I wasn't sure if it would be enough room for my arms, but it definitely is. Like, it feels really nice. I need to take these things off of here. Like these little taggy dudes, I need to take those off of there because they look ridiculous. But anyways, I am continuing on the vlog from yesterday. I don't think I'll vlog too much today because we're not doing too much. Me and Raf are going to brunch with our neighbors, so that's very fun. We're going to IHOP, so it's been a while. Well, me and Raf go to IHOP. Not all the time, but we go occasionally. And then our neighbors said it's been like 2 years for them since they've gone. So I also forgot to plug my camera mic in for the whole day yesterday. I'm glad most of the day was out because the footage that I filmed while inside the apartment, the audio might be bad. I just plugged my mic in, so I hope the audio is not too loud now. But anyways, I like this new chair a lot. It's very, very cute, and it really just like opens up the office space. Like, look at that. I know it's kind of like a mess. I kind of want to get an Apple computer, but then again, my PC brain is like, no, stay with the PC. You might find a game you want to play on it. But I haven't played a game on that PC in like 2.5 years because, number one, it's really old at this point, and I probably couldn't play too many like AAA games on this PC anymore because it's too old. But also any like Steam games that I find, I either play on my Switch or something. I don't play as many games as I used to. So yeah, and then I did move this chair over here. It's gone, thank God. So whenever I'm doing my outfit shots, you don't see the big chair back here. This I want to replace. I want to take this off and I want to put like a nail polish rack, but I want to just put that on the wall and then make it to where it holds my sunglasses. That would just be so much nicer than this ugly thing right here. But so now when I do my outfit photos, you can still see this cord sadly, but hopefully I'll be able to like maybe Photoshop it out of my photos or something, because in this apartment there's only one freaking doodad right here. And I know some routers don't need this little thing anymore and they just plug directly into the wall, but this one still needs this thing, and this is the only one in the apartment. And I'm just like, why? This is the fit for going to get brunch. I just got on this bodysuit from Aritzia. It's black, and then I've just got on this oversized zipped up hoodie, also from Aritzia. And I don't have my shoes on yet, but I think I'm gonna wear my Tory Burch sneakers. I actually ordered some new sneakers that I am so freaking excited about. I ordered them from New Balance. This is my first pair of New Balance sneakers and I can't wait. I know a lot of people really like New Balance, and I'll like link them down below. I'll link them and then I'll show a picture of them right here so you can see what they look like. They're really nice. They're kind of like this nudie gray color but with like a little bit of blue in there, and I think those would look really good with this kind of outfit, or just like a fun casual sporty outfit. It would look great. So now I think I'm gonna make my coffee or matcha. I haven't really decided which one I'm gonna make today. Also, don't mind this thing on my mouth right here. I've got a nice cold sore, which is, I love that for me. I've been doing really bad at vlogging today because it's Sunday and I'm just like, I'm tired. But we went to brunch. It was very good, and we went to IHOP and I got chicken fingers and fries. I didn't know if I wanted to get breakfast food or if I wanted to get lunchtime food, so I did get chicken fingers. I decided, and it was good. I'm glad I did that. And now we're in Target. As you can tell, we actually came to get, because our friend, our neighbor, she let us know that there was a air fryer recipe for the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Oh my god, I am so excited. She found it on Pinterest, so we've come to get all the ingredients for it. I also got some extra rice and stuff here, but we got none of this stuff is for it, but we got tomatoes, we've got olives, we've got taco seasoning down there, and then right here we've got the ground beef, more tortillas, salsa, refried beans, enchilada sauce, so like a lot of the good stuff here. And then of course Raph is in the gaming area, and then I think Raph is gonna look for a board game as well, because I do want to play I want to play a board game today.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I want to play a fun one with you today. I feel like Sundays are good days for board games. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I wanted to make some Spam sushi later, because I got a mold from Amazon to like, so you press your rice into it and it makes it into like a little rectangle, and then you put your piece of Spam on top, and then you have your nori that goes over top of that, and that looked very good. And I was gonna make that, but then my neighbor talked about the Mexican pizza that you do in the air fryer, and my entire mind is only thinking about that now. I'm still obsessed with my nails. Hopefully, I posted an Instagram reel of my nails. You should just follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because the reels looked really nice, but I love my nails. I even kind of like my right hand a little more, which I normally don't. I love my left hand more, which is weird to say, but I love my right hand right now. What do you think of these nails, babe?
No, they're very nice.
From 1 to 10, are these like some of the best I've had, or have you seen better ones?
You know I'm not a huge fan of browns, so I'm never going to put it into top 10, but it's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't like brown, but I think this is like very fall, autumn, and I love it. And it also looks a little bit 70s as well, so I'm really digging it. You guys, I found a bench. Listen, I'm gonna put this where, if you remember yesterday, I took away that one chair and I fixed like where the router was placed. I'm gonna put this in its place. It's gonna look so nice, I think. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'll bring it back. But look, it's like the same material. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm back home from Target and I put out a few of my fall things. I got this from HomeGoods yesterday. I put my little pumpkin out. I've had this, but then I did get some new pumpkins. Where'd they go? My parents are here, by the way, because I'm making the Mexican pizza. I got this one and that one over there from HomeGoods. And then this right here, look, it's the little bitch and it fits just perfect right there. And it kind of does hide like the router and the cord. It's so cute and it matches my little chair. Do you like it?
Oh yeah.
Do you like it?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah?
That's beautiful.
I like it too.
Okay. And then I got another pumpkin right there. We've got
Wow, that's very nice.
the one that I got from Pottery Barn. And then I need to put something out right here, but anyways, so right now I am making
Mexican pizza.
our neighbor that we went to brunch with today gave us a recipe for Mexican pizza, like the one from Taco Bell. So I'm now making that. The ground beef is already done. I've got all of the stuff here. So now we're just waiting for my dad to be like, I'm hungry. Fryer, and everything will go inside of that. So I'm very excited about it.
Do they cook theirs in the air fryer?
Yeah, it's an air fryer. It's an air fried.
They do theirs in the air fryer?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Your hair looks so cute.
It does?
Yeah.
And it's so pretty. Look, David, it's so pretty.
Here's my Mexican pizza. It looks pretty
Look,
good.
David, it's so pretty.
Wow.
It don't look
that's
bad.
Great.
All right, there you go. All right, you guys, it is later now, and my parents have gone. I don't know why I'm using my phone to vlog this part. I could use my camera, but here we are. My parents have gone. The Mexican pizzas were a success. I'm very excited about it. I wanted to like really show you what this little bench looks like. I haven't taken the tag off yet because I'm not 1,000,000% sure about it, but everyone that I've talked to said it looks really cute. And then here's my new little office chair. I think it looks cute. I mean, the little stools down there aren't very cute, but still, whatever. I think it looks much better than it did. So whenever I take my outfit photos, you kind of have the cute little bench in the shot instead of all those cords. So I do that too much. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me. And then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!